In this video tutorial, I'm going to share it to you on how you can fix the Amtlib.dll missing on your Windows 11. So let's get started. The first thing that we need to do is to know the system type of our Windows. So go to the Windows search bar and type System Info. Click on it under the best match. Then here, simply take note of the system type and then open a browser, any of the browser that you have on your Windows. And then simply search for the missing DLL file and change this to download or put download, hit enter. Click on it for the first result. Scroll down and then you have to look for the architecture or the system type. So we're 64-bit. Click the download file or the download link or the download button. And once downloaded, click on the folder icon. Wait for this to load. Then right click, select extract all. Click on extract. Copy the DLL file, right click, select copy. And then navigate to this PC on the left pane, double click on the Windows C drive, scroll down to the Windows folder, double click, and then scroll down to the S section. Here you will find the System32. So if you are a 64-bit Windows, go into the System32 folder. If you are a 32-bit, go to the SYS Wow 64. So we are a 64-bit, so we need to go to System32. Right click and then select paste. Click on continue. Now once done, right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart your Windows. And the next thing that we can do is to update our Windows to the latest version. Click on the start button and go to settings. From the list of options on the left pane, click on Windows Update and simply click the button right here to check for all the available updates on your Windows. Okay, so once you're updated and good, just simply try again. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.